Is your 2022 GMC Sierra backup camera showing a black screen or glitching out? Statistics show that 80% of these signal issues are actually just minor software glitches. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your view back. Start by cleaning the lens and checking the harness, then perform a hard reset of your infotainment system. If the screen stays black, check for frayed wires near the trailer hitch or corrosion on the harness connector. Sometimes the issue lies deeper in the processing module or requires a dealer-level firmware update. Try the simple resets yourself, but leave module replacements and reflashing to the professionals. Most simple wiring repairs are affordable, but replacing the camera unit itself can get expensive quickly. If you have a scan tool, check for B-Series trouble codes to pinpoint the exact failure point. Keep a basic toolkit including a multimeter and contact cleaner to handle these electrical gremlins. Remember, never force a connector if it feels stuck, as you might break the delicate locking tabs. Follow these steps and you'll likely have your backup view back in no time. Thanks for watching.